Welcome back, guys, to Mama's Magic Kitchen. Today, I thought of making something extra for my evening snacks, and I thought of making a stuffed idli. But I'll be making in a very simple way, no need of grinding anything or soaking for a whole night. So, a very easy way to make a idli when you don't have any time for those grinding things and you feel lazy, you can always make this type of idli. So today I'm making a semolina idli or a suji idli. In my idli there will be no rice or grinding stuffs. So let's start with the ingredients. I have taken equal amount of semolina or suji with equal amount of curd. If you want to take 1 cup of suji or semolina, you can take 1 cup of curd. Then I have different varieties of vegetables out here. It's your wish whether you want to put whatever vegetables you like. But I have here finely chopped 2 carrots, then capsicum, then onions and beans. You can put peas also, and I have boiled potatoes. For saute, I have this ginger and garlic 1 tablespoon finely chopped and cumin seeds. Now what we'll do is we'll put the semolina suji in the bowl and put the equal amount of curd. This is my homemade curd, and mix it nicely. And yes, you have to put salt for taste. But it's your wish. You can put it now or later because we have to make this rest for a while, for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll put the salt after some time, after making it rest for a while. And meantime, I can also rest. So I have mixed it nicely and we'll keep for rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll saute the vegetables. I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. First, we'll put the cumin seed. Then ginger garlic. Then goes my onions and capsicums together. It's your wish, whatever vegetables you like, you can put. Now the beans, whatever was in my fridge, I have cut into it as well. So it's your wish. Now the carrot. Lovely. The color. You can put the chilies if you want. How much spicy you want. We'll cook in a medium flame till these vegetables are half cooked. This stuffed idli is very healthy and good for children who doesn't like vegetables. At least they will have it like this. Now we'll put the salt, how much you like, according to your taste. If you like a little bit of spiciness in your stuffed idli, what you can do is you can put a little bit of coriander powder as I'm putting, and jeera powder, and yes, I'll put a little bit of red chili powder too. Mix it nicely. Put a little bit of water and cook it nicely. While it's 80% cooked, we'll put the boiled potatoes and mash it nicely so that the masalas, everything goes inside the potatoes also. Almost cooked. Now we'll leave it to cool it down. While it's cooling down, I thought of putting a little bit of cheese inside this stuff. I have grated some cheese and we'll mix it nicely. So now let's see what's the condition of idli batter. It's quite thick, so we'll put some water. Now we'll put the salt. I'll be putting half tablespoon of baking soda so that it will give some weight to the idli. Mix it nicely. Now ready to put in the idli maker. Now we'll make some balls out of the vegetables. It should not be too big or too small. Grease the idli maker. I have a very small. Now what we'll do is we'll put the idli batter first. Now the veggies. I'll be making 12 idlis. We'll cover it with the batter. Same way we'll do it for all the idlis. I'll be making idli in a cooker. I'll be cooking in a medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. I won't be making any sambar to have with idli, but I'll be making chutney out of this half cooked chana dal, then few curry leaves, then if you like spiciness you can put chilies and mustard seeds. Curry leaves and mustard seeds. Here's the chilies. We'll put the chana in the blender. Blend it nicely. In this dal we'll put the saute, mustard seed, everything goes inside and mix it nicely. Is it cooked or not? Yes, it's cooked. So we'll take it out and cool it down for a few minutes. Take it out now. Let it be cool for some time. Yes, my idlis are ready to be eaten. Now we'll see how it is inside. Wow, the stuffings. And let me taste with my chutney. It's really tasty and all the flavors of vegetables, everything went inside.